Hi guys, welcome to another video. Whoa. So I just wanted to take you guys along with me. Get ready with me to go to the gym. And I have lost everything that I need right now. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's more like a get ready with me just because I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I already got my face wet with cold water. I'm drinking my hot coffee because I need that first thing in the morning. Okay, so normally in the mornings I don't wash my face. I started doing that like a month ago and I feel like I really like it. So I'm just using a toner. This is the Vinyl Perfect Essence Concentrated Brightening Essence by Chatty. I love their products, honestly. So yeah, this is like a little mini one that I got. I wanted to try it out. I don't even have a mirror. What am I doing? But I know where I put it on my face. I'm gonna have to look at the viewfinder. So yeah, I just put on toner. Because I do clean my face before I go to bed. So I don't want to strip my face either because then it'll get even more dry. I already have pretty dry skin, so the the better. I like doing this because I feel like it takes off like an extra layer of like dirt. I need like a clip or something. And then this, I literally rave about this. I love this serum. This is the Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting. Also by Chatty. Focus! There we go. This is like literally my favorite serum ever. I feel like it just gets rid of so many dark spots, like, and so fast. That's like my thing. Gets rid of them pretty quickly. So I know you're supposed to tap it, but you know what? I'm spreading it out. And then I kind of just let it dry. So I love skincare. I will be buying skincare more than makeup. I will go for like a CC cream just to even everything out and make everything look flush, but I mostly care more about my skin and keeping it moisturized and, you know, free from blemishes and stuff like that. So yeah, once in a while I do like playing with makeup. You know, I think that's just your inner girl. You're always gonna want to play with makeup, but like foundation, I will never wear foundation. I'm sorry, but it's just way too heavy, I feel like, for my skin. Who knows? Who knows? Never say never, actually, because I might just want to try it one day for pictures. I don't know. So then I go in with this Pond's face cream. So my mom literally bought me the tiny little travel size one day just cause, I guess. And I put it on, you know, like my normal moisturizer for 3 days and all my dark spots were gone. It's literally insane. I recommend it to all of my friends because it's Pond's. You can get it anywhere. And this little blue strip is for normal to dry skin, and they do have the green strip, and I believe that one's for normal to oily skin. So I'll just kind of dab this on. The serum kind of already leaves like a little dew, which I don't mind. I love dewy. Never really cared for matte products because, like I said, I have dry skin. So I will just... So, I know I said I don't wear makeup, but I kind of do, I guess. I wear very light makeup, so I wear concealer because if you guys can see my dark under eye circles, like, they're just there and they don't like to go away. And I think I'm running out actually of this, but it's enough. It is enough to cover what I want to cover. Wow. My dark circles are bad, but you know what, whatever. Let's go with my beauty blender. But yeah, I can hardly leave the house ever without concealer. So if you like wearing makeup to the gym, makes you feel better, makes you feel more confident, by all means, go ahead. Covering those blemishes a little bit. I need a mirror, dude. I just got a desk finally, and I'm so happy because I didn't like editing videos on the floor, because I got a desktop and got rid of my laptop because it was super slow. So I'm like, you know what, I just want to just get a desktop, see how I like it, and I absolutely love it. But when you don't have a desk, it's very difficult to work on the floor. So that is my concealer. Let me take a little sip. Okay. And this is fun. I feel like a beauty guru. Like, hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a smoky eye look. But I'm not. I can pretend, it's okay. So I'm gonna go with my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm totally kidding, this is not Laura Mercier, but I did want to mention this in this video because I've never gone back. I mean, maybe if I am able to spend $50 on a setting powder again, I will, but for now, priorities, you know. So 3 years ago, I went to Target with my cousin. And quick little story, and you know, I was out of setting powder and I was like, oh my god, I have to go to work tomorrow, I have to put concealer and I need setting powder, like my freaking thing creases like crazy. So I saw this one and it looked like the Laura Mercier, and I'm like, let me give it a little swatch. So I opened it up. It even looks like the color of the Laura Mercier one a little bit. It doesn't have the shimmer, but the color looks like it. And so I just tried it on my skin, and it's literally so buttery soft. I couldn't believe it. And I'm like, for $8, yeah, let me snatch this real quick. And I've been using it since, and it lasts me a pretty long time. It's great. So it's the No. 7 brand at Target. I believe Target is the only store that carries that brand, but so yeah, I never went back, and I just go under my eyes. I'm not doing a full bake here because I'm just going to the gym. Yeah, and I also put it like right here because I did put concealer in here. I get really red around my nose, so I'm sorry if it's annoying that I'm looking somewhere like else. I know how annoying that can be, and I know my hair's frizzy. I look crazy. I'm gonna put my hair up in a pony anyway. In a pony. So that is it for the makeup to the gym. I really hope this has good enough lighting because it's really sunny out and it would be a shame. I wanted to show you guys my desk because I'm so happy about it. I'm so happy about it. Like, I have it all set up and cute. Okay, so here we are. And this is my desk. Look at how cute it is. It's just so like small. I didn't want anything too big. I mean, I don't really have a lot of room in here anyway, so I just needed something for my computer, and maybe I'll get like a little, like a tiny vanity mirror or something, I don't know. I did want to get like a vanity originally, but I'm like, yeah, I could just buy like the little circle ones that you can turn the light on. That's perfectly fine. And then my friend Janessa, she got me this for my birthday. Look at how cute. It's like wood, and then she printed these out. That's so cute. And then I have my planner, the book that I'm currently reading. So I got the desk and I was like, okay, now I need a chair. And I've been looking on Amazon for something pink, something like rosy pink. But everything is so expensive and I'm not trying to pay $150 for a chair. So I just thought to go to Home Goods. And literally this chair just like came up. It's so cute. It was the only pink one. And it has like this velvety material. They had multiple of those, but they only had one of these. It was 70 bucks. Definitely worth the price because I feel like these are, I don't know why they're so expensive everywhere, even on Amazon, Target, literally. Super cute. I'm probably gonna get like some baskets to put under here and like maybe store stuff. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Pre-workout meal. So gluten-free oatmeal, some walnuts, strawberries, honey, and some almond milk. So let's go chow this down. Hi, Coopy. This is my baby, my Cooper. Cooper bear. Come on, baby. Today I'm gonna be doing some back.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, we have made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.